Everybody, Eric here. Got something a little bit different here for you today. Amy and I took a day to ourselves and just did something that we wanted to do. A little bit of a photo, video adventure, if you will. And it's a little bit of a reminder that we should all take time to do the things that we enjoy doing. You've got to take time away from work in order to renew your mind, rejuvenate your soul, so that you can pour 100% back into your business when you go back to your business on Monday morning. So keep that in mind. Enjoy this video. Let me know what you thought in the comments, and we'll see you on the next one. So here we are at our first stop for the day. We're stopping at Redneck BBQ Lab because I wanted to stop here, and you know, it's kind of like my birthday thing. So yeah, so we're gonna get some barbecue. Now the line was kind of long, so we had to order before we got to the menu board, and man, they have Dole Whip. Well, maybe next time. For now, it's time to head off to Wilson. So we find ourselves in Wilson, North Carolina. We find a great place to sit down and enjoy our barbecue from Redneck BBQ Lab. Now, I had the burnt ends, which were absolutely phenomenal. And I tell you, they're green beans. If you like green beans, they have some of the best green beans I've had. Now, the main destination for today's trip was the Wallace Simpson Whirligig Park. This place is pretty awesome. Let's check it out. Hey, look who I found. Maybe she wants her keys back. Now, these amazing works of art were originally located in a field about 11 miles from downtown Wilson, North Carolina. When Wallace Simpson was about 65 years old, about the time he retired, he decided he wanted to create these sculptures, these pieces of art, even though he never called them that. Now, with the rise of the internet and with no advertising at all, the Simpsons Farm became one of Wilson County's top tourism destinations. And today you can find Simpsons' work in the American Visionary Art Museum in Baltimore, Maryland, as well as the American Folk Art Museum in Manhattan. In 2010, the plan was hatched to build this park in the middle of downtown Wilson, North Carolina. Now, Simpson died in 2013 at the age of 94, but not before seeing the first of his sculptures erected at the park. Today, the 2-acre park is home to 30 of Wallace Simpson's Whirligig sculptures. In the middle of this park is a green grassy area with an amphitheater meant to symbolize the original pond on Simpson's farm. Simpson's Whirligigs are made primarily of odd machinery parts, industrial salvage, transportation supplies, pretty much anything that he had laying around from his machinery business or his house moving business. During World War II, Simpson served in the Army Air Corps and built out of an old B-29 bomber a windmill to power a large washing machine for the troops. The park is truly a centerpiece to Wilson, North Carolina, and a distinct part of North Carolina heritage. Now, on any given day, you can find food trucks and all kinds of activities around the park that make this a great destination for a day trip. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you on the next one. All right, so let me know what you thought about this video. It kind of goes along with that theme. I actually have it on a sticker there on the back of the truck. Work like a captain, play like a pirate. That way you can focus on the right things at the right time. All right, let me know in the comments what you thought about this video, and we'll see you in the next one.